Hello everybody, I'm Larry Hewitt, Instructional Technology Facilitator for Columbus County Schools. I wanted to talk to you about a workshop that 4 media specialists from the county and I attended last week. It was at Worldview, and I just wanted to share some information about it with you. First of all, here is the information about the workshop. It was called Creating a Global Media Center, and it was at Worldview in Chapel Hill, and it was April 18th and 19th. It was one of the best workshops that I've attended in a long time. For your convenience, I've created a tiny URL address for the website that gives information about everything we discussed and presenters and presentations and whatever. So once you enter that website, this is one of the first things you see. This is like a brochure advertising the workshop that was coming up, and we read this, and Mr. Falk was interested in us attending, so for the media specialists, and I did. If you would notice down here, this was very interesting. The workshop highlights technology tools for global understanding, instructional technology, which I really enjoyed, culture and currency kits, finding and writing successful grants, and multicultural children's literature. Okay, if you go on further in the website, you will see an itinerary of what happened both days. It was a day-and-a-half workshop, and you'll also see that some of the sessions have clickable links that can take you to PowerPoints or videos or whatever that the presenter used during the day. So it's really a lot of information there. One of the things that we were asked to do before going to the workshop was to watch a video on TED, T-E-D, and if you're not familiar with TED, you ought to become familiar with it. It's wonderful presentations, videos of discussions by people from educators, entertainers, scientists, all kinds of people, and the videos are about 12 to 18 minutes long. The one that we were asked to view was Build a School in the Cloud by Sugata Mitra, and it's a very interesting website. I hope you'll take time to look at it. And once again, I have the video web address right there for your convenience. Another thing that we were asked to do was to read this article. It's called Digital Native versus Digital Citizen, Examining a Dangerous Stereotype. So I'd heard of both of the phrases before, but I really didn't know the difference. Now I do, and there's a big difference between a digital native and a digital citizen. So over here, once again, I have the web address so you can find it and read it. It's a very short article, but very informative. One of the presenters that I wanted to talk to you about was Eric Cole. It said in his bio that he is an assistant principal and technology facilitator from Western North Carolina. I think it's Conway, North Carolina. But I believe he said that he's now principal. I may be incorrect about that, but he's either principal or assistant principal at a middle school. It tells some more information about him. During his presentation, he gave lots of really good information, especially about technology. Here is a web address for the website that he had for us, and these are some of the things that I really enjoyed listening to as he discussed collaborative Google Documents. He had a Google document which was shared so that everybody viewing it could make comments, and it was projected on the screen with the data projector, and everyone in the audience was allowed to make documents, and you just saw the whole thing developing right before your eyes in real time, and each person commenting had a different color. So I know students would really enjoy working on a collaborative piece like that. Next was TweetDeck. TweetDeck is one of the aggregators for Twitter, and since his presentation I have signed up for TweetDeck, and it's amazing at how quickly you can find information on basically anything. Educators need TweetDeck to go along with their Twitter account. Third, he talked about the importance of blogging. Right now, blogging is not allowed in Columbus County Schools. It's blocked because it's social media. But anyway, teachers can blog and students can blog outside of class. A lot of important information there. He also talked about Google Tools for Education. This was interesting. It's called Any Video Converter. You can find the web address and you can download that. And then the last one is Pixorial.com, which is a free online video editor. And if you sign in as an educator, you're given a code and you can get 1 year subscription free. And I really hadn't even taken the time to look at it yet, but the interface looks very, very good. Here are 2 photographs of the media specialists that attended. This is Jewel Crea from Tabor City Middle School, Wendy Tyree from Williams Township School, Brandy Lee from Old Dock Elementary, and last but not least, Danielle McPherson from Hallsboro Artesia Elementary School. Well, that's it for my brief introduction to the workshop that we attended. Hopefully you'll be seeing videos or either some kind of presentation from the 4 ladies that went, and we'll compile this together so all the media specialists will have access to it. So, hope you have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye.